Hi everyone, have a great day. I am Dr. Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, KCS Kausinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video today we are going to learn about merchant banking from financial service, meaning of financial service. Already we are seeing in the last video. Now we are going to see meaning of merchant banking. Merchant banking is a financial service which is a wide scope and involves providing almost the entire range of financial service. The primary role of merchant banking is undertaking activities related to the new issues of securities by companies. Merchant bank plays an important role in arranging funds for financing the activities of the corporate sector. Functions of merchant banking: corporate counseling, project counseling, capital structure, portfolio management, issue management, credit synchronization, working capital, venture capital, lease finance, fixed deposit. Now we are going to see one by one. First one, corporate counseling. Merchant bankers provide counseling service to companies with regard to the timing of issue of shares, capital structure and other promotional aspects with regard to the company, providing advice on expansion, diversification, etc. after taking into account government regulations and policies. Revival of 6 units by identifying the changes required in manufacturing technology process, capital structure, etc. Next, project counseling. The new entrepreneur is held in the consumption of idea, identification of various projects, preparation of projects, feasibility reports, location of factory, training funds, sanctions and approval from state and central government departments. First one, conducting a general review of the project profile, identification of potential investment avenues, assisting in the preparation of a project report, providing advice on procedural aspects of project implementation. Next, capital structure. The amount of capital is required, rising of the capital, debt equity ratio, issues of shares and debentures, working capital, fixed capital requirement, etc. Conducting a detailed study of economic, technical, environment and regulatory factors. Next, portfolio management. The merchant banker helps the investor in matters pertaining to invest decisions. Taxation and inflation are taken into account while advising on investment in different securities. The merchant banker also undertakes the functions of buying and selling of securities on behalf of their client companies. Next, issue management. Obtaining clearance, drafting of prospectus, underwriting, liaising with brokers and bankers, and keeping the constant communication with investors. It involves marketing of corporate security by offering them to the public or institutions. Next, credit synchronization. When more funds are required, different financial institutes are approached for contributing working capital and fixed capital requirements. The financial institutions joining together for providing finance to a needy company is known as credit synchronization. This is also called consortium finance. Next, working capital. Companies are given working capital finance depends upon the earning capacities in relation to the interest rate prevailing in the market. First one, estimation of working capital requirements, preparing documents of for obtaining working capital finance, negotiation with banks and financial institutions for working out capital finance. Next, venture capital. Venture capital is a kind of finance wherein a new venture proposed by an entrepreneur is financed. Venture capital carries more risk and hence well few financial institutions come forward to finance. Next, lease finance. The leasing companies are providing finance for procurement of different assets that are required by different companies. It is a form of financial employed to occur the use of assets, enabling the choice of favorable rental structure. Next, fixed deposit. Merchant bankers enable companies to raise finance by way of fixed deposits from the public. The merchant banker helps the borrowing company to accept the deposit from the public. Thank you.